So today I'm reviewing the coding platform called HackerEarth, and that coding platform I have been using for last 3 years for giving my interviews for different companies, and it's a really user advanced coding assessment platform, and which is used to identify the skilled developers with incredible speed and accuracy. This HackerEarth also automates your entire technical screening process, reduce the redundancy on your company's engineers, and it helps a lot for all kind of professionals. And with this platform, actually to build the assessment is very easy, and with all the growing library that has almost like 13,000 plus unique questions across 80 plus technical skills, so you can really use that to accommodate all the interviews for the professionals. Hi, the best experience so far with the HackerEarth platform I have ever had is when I was interviewing as a senior software engineer in this company called IBM Private Limited in India. And the best experience I had was when I was interviewing as a Java developer. And the good thing about this platform was all the Java 16, Java 14, all the new features, I got questions related to that. So I did the preparation for that. So it made sense when they didn't ask the questions in the interview which were related to the old versions and the old functions, but for the new functions. So all that was going on in the market at the time, they had questions according to that. Plus it gives you the liberty to choose whatever language you want to do the coding in. And so that way, let's say if you are a full stack developer and you want to switch between the languages, and if you're interviewing for that, then you can easily switch the languages for your coding. And other than that, the most best experience I found was that according to the questions I was given, I was getting the reviews for that questions on how much problem solving I have done so far and how much problem solving is left. So that way I could decide that if I could pass this exam or not, and that was a really good experience so far. So this platform, HackerEarth, has many features to ensure that fair participation from each student. But however, some of these are unnecessary and make this platform very difficult to use. So this platform actually doesn't allow copying and pasting the code within their forum, which is often used to save some more time, because if you have done the code in some other, let's say, online compiler or somewhere, then you should be able to copy paste the code from there, and you should be able to run the code in the platform. The platform, last time I attempted an assessment, I had one problem with the constraint incorrectly labeled, and thus caused some test cases to fail. So such issue also consumes a lot of time to figure out for the participant, and that's the only limitation I have noticed so far for this platform. If I have to describe this product in one word, then I would describe it as efficient coding platform. That's all. Yes, I would definitely recommend this product to all the students and all the professionals who are preparing for their interviews, who are preparing for to work on their personal skills, because all the problems, those are updated according to the latest technologies. And all the, let's say for example, if you are preparing for a Java developer, then they have questions, all the questions related to the new Java versions, all the Lambda functions, whatever the Java language itself is updating, they have the questions related to that. So you'll get hands-on practice for all of those new features for all the platforms. And they have a really good, let's say, testing efficiency to test all your test cases. And it also reviews your time complexity as well, so that way you can decide if you need to optimize your problem in much more efficient sense. So yeah, I would totally recommend it to everybody, and thumbs up for this platform.